Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. By default, Iostat is included with sysstat package in Ubuntu. You can install it by running the following command. Let's start by running the Iostat command without any argument. This will display information about the CPU usage and statics of your system. By running the next command, Iostat displays the report with the current date. If you want to display the current time, run the next. To check the version of the Iostat, run the following command. You can list out all the options available with Iostat command using the next command. If you want to view only the device report only once, run the following command. To view the device report continuously for every 5 seconds, run 3 times next command. Next, if you want to view the statics of specified device, run the command below. You can also view the statics of multiple devices with the following command. And if you want to display the device Iostatics in megabyte per second, run the next command. And lastly, if you want to display only the CPU usage statics, run the command below. That's it. This is how you can install and use Iostat on your Ubuntu system. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.